All right, Bhatika, I think we're ready to go here. I think. I'm hoping that it's going to work for me. All right. I think we're good to go here. So you're definitely going to want your notebook out for today's lesson. We're going to be doing a little bit of reading, a little bit of writing, and so that'll help you if you have your notebook out. What did we learn last class? Do you remember what we talked about last class? Yeah. On Monday? We did, yes. What did we talk about? Do you remember what the lesson was about? Yeah, can you tell me? So, just as a review, we talked about items in the classroom, and we looked at 3 prepositions. We looked at in. Good. We also talked about where questions. So I can ask a question, where are the pencils? Good. Pencils are in the cup. We also talked about the difference between plural, more than one, and singular one. So if I'm talking about one pencil, do I use is or are? Good. If I'm talking about 2 pencils, we use are. We also talked about yes-no questions. So for example, to ask a yes-no question, we start with the be verb. So let's use something different. So I've also got, what do we call these? Rulers. Good. So I've got 2 rulers. And I could ask a question, there's 2 of them in here. Are the rulers in the cup? Good. Yes, they are. Are the rulers in the cup? Good. No, they aren't. Where are they? Good. They're under the cup. Good. So these are all things we talked about. Now, in today's lesson, what are we going to learn? We're going to talk about reading for information about class items. So this is a reading lesson. Okay? So, for example, where is this? Do you see the picture? Where is this? Yeah, where do you think this is in the picture? Where? So, do you think this is at the zoo? Or what location is this? When you see the picture, what does it look like? Okay. Yeah, for sure. There's a computer on the table. But this is a picture of a classroom. Yeah, classroom. What else do you see? Good, there's a table. Computer. What do you see here? Oh, is that hard to see? It's kind of hiding behind me here. They could be dictionaries or books. Yep. What do you see here? Maybe, I think they're markers. Maybe markers. Yeah, where are the markers? Good, the markers are in the drawer. What are these? Yeah, calculator. Where are the calculators? Good, the calculators are in the drawer. Good. We call this a basket. Basket. So what's in the basket? Maybe. Yeah, it's hard to see. Really, it is. It could be pencils. I agree. The pencils are in the basket. What is this, you think? Yeah, those are erasers. All right, good. Now, I want you to take a minute and tell me what be verb goes in each blank. Okay? So in number 1, what would go here? Is or are? Yeah, how do you know that? Yeah, it's singular. Laptop is singular, so we use is. All right, how about number 2? Good, are. The pencils are under the table because this is plural. Number 3? Good, the erasers are in the bookcase. Again, it's plural. 4? Good, it's are again because we have a plural. The calculators are under the table. 5? Good, the markers are in the desk drawer. 6? Good, the reading is about items in the classroom. Good job. So you can see number 1 is, number 2 are, 3 are, 4 are, 5 are, 6 is. Good job. Now, in this one, we want to write true or false based on the notice that I'm going to show you on the next slide. Okay? So we're going to read some information. So here's what we call a notice. A notice is some information to catch your attention, okay? Important information. So this teacher wrote this notice, and they said, "Attention, new students, items in your classroom." So they're going to list the classroom items, okay? All right, listen carefully. The laptop is on the small table. The pencils are in the basket on the desk. The erasers are in the basket. The books are in the bookcase. The calculators are in a box under the table. The markers are in the desk drawer. So now, you tell me, is number 1 true or false based on the information? So you tell me if you think this is true or false. The laptop, yeah. The laptop is on the desk. Is that true or false? Yeah. Where is it? Good job. Okay. Number 2. The pencils are under the table. Is that true or false? Nice. The pencils are in the basket on the desk. You're right, that was false. Number 3. So far, you're 100%. The erasers are in the bookcase. Good. The erasers are in the basket. Good job, 100% still. Number 4. The calculators are under the table. The calculators are in a box under the table. So they're saying that one's true. 5. The markers are in the desk drawer. the markers are in the desk drawer. That one's true too, based on this information. The reading is about items in the classroom. Yeah, you can see up here that it's about items in the classroom. So that would be true. This would be true. So the first three were false. Second three are true. All right. Now, look at the picture and write a true sentence. All right, so if you look at the picture, look at number 1. The laptop is on the desk. Yeah, that's not true. Where is it? Nice. All right, the pencils are under the table. Can you make it true? No, they're not under the table, are they? Look right here. Yeah, good. Yeah, the pencils are on the desk or in the box. Or they call it basket. Yeah. Number 3. So that's number 2. The laptop is on the small table. The pencils are in the basket on the desk. The erasers are in the bookcase. The erasers are in the basket on the desk. Here they are. Okay. Now, I want to look at some new words, okay? Do you know what we call this? All right, so we're learning some new vocabulary today. And you've got a list of our words up at the top. Do you know what this is? What do you think? What one of these would it be? We call it a hole puncher. Yep. The reason we call it that, if you look at a piece of paper, it's got 3 holes. Okay? So we use a hole puncher to make holes. Okay? That's a hole puncher. Yes. How about this? Well, it's similar. I want to show you something. Okay. So this is a notebook. Notice the binder. This is a notepad. Notepad. It kind of looks like this. Okay? Notepad and notebook. Okay? Yep. They're similar, but a little different. That's notepads, more than one, plural. And then do you know what we call this? A bulletin board. Bulletin board. You see that in the hall out here. People will pin up a notice with important information on a bulletin board. Okay? How about this one? What did we call this board that you write on? I kind of gave it. Yeah, it's a whiteboard. Yeah, whiteboard. All right, we've got some small pieces of paper. Usually they're 3 inches down, 5 inches across, so about this big. You know what we call those? Index cards. Yeah, index cards. Oh, they're right here. They're actually about this size. but they're white and they're just small. Okay? You know what these are? Scissors. Scissors. Yep. Whiteboard, index cards, scissors. These are paper clips. Paper clips. Yep, paper clips. We clip paper together to hold them together. Paper clips. Marker. Marker. Globe. Globe. Good. Yeah. A globe is a round thing that has a map on it. We call that a globe. Yeah. You don't see them very often anymore. Yeah, you'll see them in classrooms sometimes. We'll call it a globe. All right. Now, I'm going to pause the video, and I want you to make a sentence with a question about this picture. And then I want you to answer it. So make a where question, and then see if you can answer it. Okay? Where? It's a hole punch. So what's your question? Good. Where is the hole punch? Good. Or the basket. Good. How about this one? Index cards. Yep. Where? Yeah, where are the index cards? And you would answer? Uh-huh. Good job. They are in the drawer. All right, how about these two? This is hard because you're just learning these. These are paper clips. Uh-huh. Good. Good job. Well, hi, Miss. Okay, do you remember what we call these? Scissors. Yep. Good. Where is the scissor? Yeah, the scissors are in the basket. Yeah, I think that's probably. So let me back up a second. Scissors. I have a pair of scissors. So you notice how there's two scissors have two edges? I don't know why this is the case, but in English, scissors, even if there's just one, we consider them plural. So we would always say, where are the scissors? Because it has two pieces. Yeah. Well, even though it's one, it's kind of like pants. You see how my pants?
What scissor?
It is one scissor. I don't know, it's a strange thing in English. We would say, where are the scissors? We don't say, where is the scissor?
Where are the scissors?
Yeah, and then you'd say the scissors are in the basket. I don't know why. Even when there's one, we say that. It's strange. Sorry to confuse you. All right. It's a marker.
Marker.
Yep.
Where's the marker?
Good. Where's the marker?
Where's the marker? It is on the table.
Good. It's on the table. Okay. You remember what this was called?
That's
Notepads.
one part.
Yep. Plural.
One part. Where are one part?
Good. They're They are in the drawer. Good job. A few more. This was a bulletin board. Bulletin board. Where? Just one this time. Yeah, where is the bulletin board? Good, it's on the wall. You remember this one? Globe. Yeah, good. Good. It's on the table. Very good. All right. Read to find the answers. Read this to me. Hole punch. Yeah. The hole punch. That's not right. Hole puncher? That's strange to me. I call it a hole punch, not a hole puncher. Yeah. Well, don't even put it on there. Just put hole punch. Yeah. It's easier. Index cards. Mm-hmm. Good. True or false? False. Scissors. True or false? Okay. Okay. Now let's read and see if we can figure this out. Dear Carly, congratulations on your new job. Welcome to the office. Here is where all the supplies are. The hole puncher, the hole punch, is in the cabinet. The notepads are in the box on the shelf. The index cards are in a basket on the table. The scissors are in the cup. The paper clips are in the desk drawer. The black marker is on the table. Have a great day. Sincerely, Miss Sweets, manager. So now, where is the hole punch? You see that? It is in the cabinet. Yep. Where is it? Where are the index cards? Uh-huh. Good. They are in a basket on the table. Good. So we're using the pronouns here, right? Subject pronouns. Where is the black marker? Good. It is on the table. The box is on the shelf. Is that true or false? What does it say? Good. True. The scissors are in the desk drawer. Are they in a desk drawer?
They are in the box. Yes.
True or false?
True.
False. False. It asks if they're in a desk drawer. They're in a cup. The marker is under the table. Be careful. Be careful. Read it. The black marker is on the table. Yeah, it's false because it says under the table here. Okay, yeah, false. Okay, that's the end of our beautiful lesson. Good job.